National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Haakon County in west central South Dakota, north central Jackson County in southwestern South Dakota, until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Phillip, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Haakon and north central Jackson counties. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas in South Dakota, Haakon, and Jackson.